Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about the Poisson probability distribution. So if you didn't watch my previous video where I talk about the binomial distribution and also what is the probability and some mathematics based on it. So if you didn't watch that, please watch that, and don't worry, I will be giving all the notes in my video description below, where I'll give you my GitHub page link where I uploaded all the statistics and probability notes. Let's understand what the Poisson probability is. It describes the number of times some event occur during a specific interval. Again, remember it describes the number of times some event occurs, okay, during a specific interval. It may be time interval, it may be distance interval, it may be area or some number of volume, okay. So within that interval, how many number of times some event occur. So when we're gonna use this technique or this method, Poisson probability distribution, first one is when the trial number is larger than 30, okay. When it is smaller than 30, use another method, okay. Just use this kind of method when the trial number is greater than 30. There is also a condition where the trial can be given or not, okay. It is not sure in the question that it would be given. The third condition is that the probability of the success is small, which is pi is equals to less than 0.10, which is very small probability, which is 10%. The two condition is very important when your probability of success rate is less than 10% and your trial number is greater than 30. So the main formula that you need to focus on, probability of your given interest p of x is equals to e to the power minus mu to the power x divided by x factorial. What is mu? Mu is actually the mean. We can also write mean is equals to n pi. N is the number of trials and pi is the probability of success, okay. The variance d square is equals to n pi. So variance d square is equals to n pi and mean mu is also n pi. Both of them are same. So you can understand this very easily when you solve some mathematics. So let's see the example. Mrs. Bergen is loan officer at AB Bank. From her years of experience, she estimates that the probability is 0.025. Again, see the probability is smaller than 0.10 and 0.025 is smaller than this value, that an applicant won't be able to repay his loan. So the probability is 0.025 that an applicant won't be able to repay his loan. This is the probability that the applicant won't repay his loan. Last month she made 40 loans. So the number of trials is given, which is 40, which is greater than 30. So these two conditions are satisfied. It is greater than 30 and also the success rate, probability of success rate is 0.025, which is smaller than 0.10. So then you can use Poisson distribution. So our question is, what is the probability that 3 loans will be defaulted? What is the probability? Out of 40, how many given 3 loans would be defaulted? And what is the probability of that? So let's see how we can solve this. So the probability is actually 3. So e to the power minus mu. Minus mu, we can write that mu as equals to n pi. So our number of trials is given, which is number of trials is total is 40. Out of 40, we want the probability of 3. Okay. So e to the power minus n pi. Pi is actually the probability of success rate, which is 0.025 given in the question. And this number of trials n is also given in the question. So apply that. And this one and this one is the same, but be careful that it is e to the power minus that value n pi, and this is just pi, which is 40 times 0.025 to the power x. X is actually this x, for which value we are finding the probability 3, divided by x factorial. X is this 3 and this 3 is actually the x factorial, 3 factorial, which is 3 times 2 times 1 on the bottom side. So if we calculate this total, we get 0.06. See what was our question about, which is what is the probability that at least 3 loans would be defaulted? At least 3. It means that it is 3 or more. So we are finding it for p when x is greater than or equals to 3. So we need 3 or more. So we need to subtract for 0, 1 and 2 from 1. We are subtracting this 3 value because we don't need those 3. We need 3 or more. To find that, we just subtracting it from 1. And we are applying the same kind of formula from this for 0, for 1 and 2. E to the power minus 1, 1 to the power 0, because this is actually the mu to the power 0, 0 is actually this x, and 0 factorial is 1, and same way for 1 and 2, and we are getting 0.08 based on this formula. E to the power mu to the power x divided by x factorial, where mu is equals to n pi, and n is given here the 40 is our n, pi is 0.025. so based on that we are applying the formula and applying all the values, and we are getting 0.08. simple.